Hello everyone, welcome to this particular video. I am Veena Pupala, graphologist, mind coach, CEO of MulteArts. So in this video, I am going to explain you people what are the workshops we have in this 2022. I'm going to explain all the workshops and how much duration it is and what is the fee structure and all. So the link for all the workshop is given in the description. You can just go over there and click the link and just sign up for any workshop whatever you want. So first thing here is like face sketching workshop. If you are a person who is interested to draw human faces, so this is a perfect workshop. The date here mentioned is like April 4th. Still we can extend this and the price is like 1,999. You can sign up still now, even though April 4th was gone, still you can sign up for this. It is a 15 days workshop. Okay, so the next thing is, it is a little blur over here. Let me explain here. So this is a summer camp, which is a 45-day summer camp, which is a basic drawing workshop. The dates was changed like from April 11th to 25th May. The image is little blur over here, so I'm explaining here. So the age group is like 6 to 15 years. Okay, so the fee is like 999. You can just sign up by paying 999. It is almost like 45 days camp. Okay, the next workshop is a Sanskrit workshop. If you want to learn the Sanskrit, this is a perfect workshop. We do have a great feedback for the Sanskrit. The student who is not interested into Sanskrit, she just became #1 in her class. So we just feel proud about the results whatever we got for our students. So try this out. It's going to start in April 24th to April 30th. You know, the price is like 699. If you are interested, you can just sign up for the next classes. Sorry for the disturbance. So the next thing is like Sudoku workshop, which is just engaging your kids and improving their thinking capabilities and problem solving skills. This really gonna help, which gonna be there on 6th, 7th and 8th of April. If you are interested, we're gonna extend this date as well. You can just sign up by paying 199. Okay, so for all workshop, the link is given in the description. So the next workshop is like holiday camp, which is a forest themed craft, which gonna start from April 11th to April 16th around 5 p.m. It is a 5-day workshop. The fee is 199. You know, this is exclusively we'll go more deeper about the theme concept. You know, just have fun by just doing sort of things. So the another workshop is like LRW Skills classes, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. This gonna be for free. Sometimes it will be in a paid version as well. You can try for the free demo if you are interested. Okay, one more thing I want to highlight here. If you are interested to attend any sort of classes in MulteArts for free weekend classes, that link also given in a bio link. You can just click that bio link which is mentioned on the description. You will get all the things whatever we have in the MulteArts, which is related to weekend classes or summer workshops like these, or kid camps or regular courses. Everything is available over there. Okay, you just navigate it to a WhatsApp group. Everything will be available over there. So the next thing is Hindi workshop, which gonna start from April 10th to May 10th, which gonna be a 1-month workshop. Here the amount is like 1499. The timings are 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this is more of like if you wanna improve yourself in Hindi, something like that, you know, it gonna help you. So these are our main workshops, and we do have a chess workshop as well as guitar as well as Vedic maths. If you are interested, you can just sign up. Just click the link below or just call the numbers which is displaying here. Let me drag this down a little bit. Yeah, so which is displaying here, you can just call them up and take all the details whatever you want. I hope you understood all the workshops whatever we are offering to you, and see you forward in the MulteArts. Have a great day ahead. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel to know more updates about the MulteArts, and also any class details or target 100 videos. Anything if you want to know more, just subscribe to the MulteArts YouTube channel and let me know how you felt about this summer camps, and we do looking forward to have any suggestions from your end as well. Please drop your comment. How do you felt about the video, or any suggestions also welcome. Thank you for watching. See you.